What do you get for one of these sites? Well, let's see. Got a fire right now. Got a bench. You got these two hanging contraptions and a pretty big pitch. And literally 150 feet there's a water point for fresh water. Now that's 20 bucks a day. But if you're disabled, senior, and a couple other things, a whole bunch of discounts you can get. So probably about 10 bucks a night. Yeah, probably about 10, 15 bucks. We spent 20 because we didn't do the discount part. But yeah, pretty damn good. Okay, so I got this brand new 110 watt solar panel. That's the name of it. Sokovola. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna make a mess of that. So I'm not gonna even try it. So my jackery is at 22%. So we're gonna set this up and see how it goes. Supposedly it's pretty good. Yes, I'm going to set it up right there by the van, and we'll see how easy this is. Well, that's pretty nice. Well, that was easy to set up. Your connector for the panel itself. A whole bunch of different connectors for different pieces of equipment, and all those. So one of them should fit what you're charging. Okay, let's see if it's pulling in anything. And right now it's at 66 watts. Let's see, according to Mickey,
it's 246.
Okay.
That is at 23%. Pulling in 64 watts.
So we'll see in an hour. There's a little bit of shade on it. You can see it just.
Pulling in 50 watts, and it's at 42%.
See,
And Mickey says
it's 337.
337. Okay, Mickey now says
It's 503. Good evening.
I'm only drawing 11 watts because we're in the shade. It's at 61%, so I think we're done for the day.
dinner is on the stove. We got meatballs. We got pasta. Dinner is looking good. Okay, there's dinner. We got noodles and meatballs and tomato sauce and a nice brochen roll. $23 looks good. You ain't getting solar on that one though. There's one of the bathrooms, but these ones are closed by the looks of it. Over that way is the water. That's the second water point we've already passed. Some of the spots are nice and small and other ones are huge.
Yeah. What about the big RVs that go on them roads?
Yeah. I believe this is the shower block. Nice bathrooms. Really nice. And the showers are really nice. Showers, singles. Nice. Where'd Hoppy go? They got big mushrooms. We're at number 20. We are back to our campsite.
You gonna come on the grass? Come on. Come on.
There's my little puppy dog. Our little puppy dog. Wow, that's hot.